Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Logic Medico. Today's interesting topic is Coracobrachialis. If you are new to our channel, kindly consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell button for the latest notification of videos. I will explain this muscle with the help of a neat diagram. So kindly concentrate. So what is this muscle? Coracobrachialis. So where does it start from? From the coracoid process of the scapula. So this is the scapula, this is the coracoid process. So where does it go? It goes to the humerus. So this is the humerus. So it goes to the medial border of the humerus opposite to the deltoid tuberosity. I'll just show you that now. So it begins from the tip of the coracoid process. It goes to the medial border of the shaft of the humerus opposite to deltoid tuberosity. So the action of this muscle, since it is crossing the front of the shoulder joint, it can cause flexion, and more it is on the medial side, so it can cause adduction. So it can cause flexion of the humerus at the shoulder joint, it can cause adduction of the shoulder joint at the humerus. So what is the nerve supply? Nerve supply is the musculocutaneous nerve, root value C5, C6. Musculocutaneous nerve is the root value. So in summary, the coracobrachialis, it's a muscle of the front of the arm. Origin, the tip of the coracoid process of scapula. Insertion is into the medial border of the shaft of the humerus opposite to deltoid tuberosity. Action, flexion of the shoulder joint and adduction of the shoulder joint. Nerve supply is by the musculocutaneous nerve, whose root value is C5, C6. Thank you for watching and learning from Logic Medico. Kindly subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel, and recommend this channel to your other friends. Thank you once again.